Welcome. Let's explore how to use spell check. Spell checking is essential, but switching between tools breaks your workflow. PageProof Spell Check helps you catch typos right there inside the proofing screen. Spell check scans the visible text in your proof and highlights words that might be misspelt. One thing to note, for now, it works on static proofs like PDFs, Word docs, PowerPoint presentations, etc. It looks at text the tool can see, so text embedded inside images may not be checked. Let's take a look, step by step. Open your proof and click the spell check icon found in the Magic Tools, or just type the letter S on your keyboard. The page will be scanned and words that may be misspelt highlighted. Hover over a highlighted word to see up to 3 suggested corrections. Click to accept a suggested word. This will create a comment with the correction already detailed, like you see here. In this next example, you could click something else to type your own correction as a comment. Or under Other Options, you can choose to ignore the word, ignore all instances of the word in the proof, or add the word to your personal dictionary so it won't be flagged again. This is handy for brand or product names, for example. A tip: you can press the Escape key to turn spell check off when you're done. Your spell check dictionary is found under your profile settings. You can set your language and control what words have been saved to your dictionary. With spell check built into PageProof, you catch simple errors before approvals, making your creative work more accurate and your workflow faster, all without leaving the proofing screen.